Have you ever considered letter writing as part of a side hustle? So it's super easy. You do the little scratch off, and then you get your 4x6 cards and you do your letter writing. Each one of these can be worth $5 or more. Just depends on where you do letter writing for. If you're wanting to learn, let me know. Some states can't do it, so you do kind of need to do some research, but I can definitely help you figure it out if you're eligible. But it's a good little side hustle that you can save up money or earn money.